Friends, recite this Wazifa of Ya Rahman. Blow on a glass of water, and then witness the miracle. The whole world will see it. Today will be the last day of your poverty and hardship. From today, your home will be filled with happiness. If your sorrowful life doesn't turn into joy after this, then you can question me. Whoever recites this small Wazifa of Ya Rahman in the given manner, in the given sequence, and blows on the water, their poverty will be buried forever. Wealth and sustenance will rain down from the skies like showers of blessings. If anyone is sick while watching this video, come close, my brothers and sisters. I'm about to share a powerful Amal of Ya Rahman. It will remove your worries, diseases, and sorrows. I'm presenting this effective Amal for your benefit, and I want your full attention. Just once in your life, read this Amal. You can even do it daily, but reading it once, for just a few minutes, could bring joy for a lifetime. The Amal I'm sharing can cure illnesses, attract wealth from unknown sources, and solve problems in miraculous ways. Many people, brothers and sisters, have asked me for such a Wazifa. Join this video quickly. Today is the last day of your poverty, insha'Allah. After today, the stain of poverty will be wiped away. Your pockets will be full, your cupboards overflowing, your house and shop filled with wealth. This Amal will not only bring wealth and sustenance from the unseen, but will also eliminate the biggest illnesses from your body. If you're tired of treatments, this Amal will also end any black magic, evil eye, or spiritual blockages. Insha'Allah. Whether done by a relative or stranger, whether it's black magic, an evil glance, or spiritual restrictions, this will clear your body instantly. Today is the last day of your poverty, insha'Allah. All traces of hardship will vanish from your home. I will give you a short, easy Amal that you can read while sitting at home. All you need is a glass of clean drinking water. Glass, plastic, clay, or steel, any kind will do. Sit peacefully and calmly at a time when you're free. Don't read it while busy. Once you're free, take the glass of water and sit down. This is one of the easiest and most powerful Amal in the world. People suffering from stomach issues, heart problems, or any major disease should try this. Allah will remove all illness from every corner of your body, insha'Allah. Any spiritual restriction or black magic will end immediately. Remember, brothers and sisters, there may have been a time when no one saw your struggles, when you were bound by hardship, struggling for every penny, caught in sickness. These are signs of spiritual restrictions. This Amal of Ya Rahman that I'm about to share will eliminate all of that. Poverty, black magic, restrictions, unemployment, disease, everything. Don't underestimate this Amal. It's very easy to recite, but extremely powerful in results. You'll say, after reading it, I wish I had known about this earlier. Because if you had, your problems would have ended, and your home would have been filled with joy and wealth. Everyone who has done this Amal has benefited. No one has ever said it didn't work. Insha'Allah, your worries and illnesses will soon be gone. Now I'm about to explain the Amal. Pay close attention, every sentence, every word. Don't skip the video or rush through it. If you miss something important, you'll need to watch it again. Better to understand it properly the first time. This could change your destiny. When you're free during the day, sit peacefully at home with a glass of water. This Amal can be done anywhere, but doing it at home brings extra benefits. Even your house will be cleared of spiritual and physical hardships. Sit at ease, morning or afternoon, whenever you're fully free. Take clean drinking water and start by reciting any Durud Sharif at least once. It could be Sallallahu ala Muhammad, Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, Durud Ibrahimi from the Salah. Do not touch the water after filling the glass. Now comes the reading part. If possible, keep a tasbih, prayer beads, in your hand. If not, count on your fingers. The first part of the Amal is to recite Ya Kareem 10 times. Not 9, not 11, exactly 10 times. Do it peacefully, calmly, and with full sincerity. This Wazifa is the soul of this practice. It is an extremely special and powerful Wazifa, the sultan of all Wazifas performed in this act. When a distressed person, suffering from worries, hardships, unemployment, when such a person recites this water-based Wazifa, especially if they've become tired of trying other spiritual practices and seen no results, then know that this powerful Wazifa brings relief where all other means have failed. Whether your house is empty, your shop is empty, your pockets are empty, despite all your efforts, if your needs and desires remain unfulfilled, this is the Wazifa that can change your life. Start the Amal with Durood Sharif. First Wazifa, recite Ya Kareem 10 times. Second Wazifa, recite Ya Aziz 11 times. Do not increase or decrease the number. The count and order are essential. Stay seated in one place from start to finish of this Amal. Have a glass of water ready beside you. Do not stand up until the Amal is completed. Every word, every instruction must be followed carefully. After the second step, I present to you the third Wazifa of this powerful water-based Amal. Ya Rahman, recite 21 times. This is a miraculous Wazifa for attracting happiness, wealth, and abundant sustenance. Brothers and sisters, many of you may have tried countless Wazifas, but never something as effective and fast-acting as Ya Rahman on water. This Wazifa will, insha'Allah, instantly remove poverty and bring relief from major illnesses. You can perform it at any time, day or night. No specific place or time is required. Just make sure you are free and focused. Have complete faith in Allah Ta'ala. Sit with a glass of water and recite this Amal with full conviction. Insha'Allah, your hands that were once raised in supplication will become hands that give to others. Today can be the last day of poverty and hardship in your life. After drinking the water, your entire household will, insha'Allah, be healed and blessed. Wealth will pour into your life in such abundance that you'll grow tired of counting money, but it won't end. Once again, begin the Amal with Durood Sharif. First Wazifa, Ya Kareem 10 times. Second Wazifa, Ya Aziz 11 times. Third Wazifa, Ya Rahman 21 times. Now comes the fourth Wazifa of this Amal, which must also be done with deep attention. Ya Jabbar, recite 7 times. This Wazifa removes hardships, sorrows, and brings wealth from unseen sources. Finally, after the fourth Wazifa, recite Surah Al-Kawthar once, beginning with A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Complete the Amal with Durood Sharif. Now, take the glass of water in your hands, bring it close to your lips, and blow, make dam, on it once or 3 times. Everyone in the household should take a sip from it. Any leftover water can be poured into your cooler, clay pot, or wherever water is stored. Drink from this blessed water daily. You can repeat the Amal again after a few days if you wish, though once is enough for a lifetime, insha'Allah. If you liked this video, please like it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to select all notifications. May Allah accept my words and your listening in His divine court. May He grant you what you ask and even what you don't. Write any one of Allah's 99 names in the comments for blessings in your sustenance. May Allah be your protector and helper. May He bless you with happiness always. Insha'Allah, we'll meet again with another powerful Wazifa. Until then, take care of yourself and remember me in your du'as. Allah Hafiz.